Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Options, here, and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Here tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your pattern, and here your device is informing you that you have to be aware because you cannot undo this action, so be aware and tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. Now we have to wait a second, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.